Oxides of nitrogen. Oxides of nitrogen are a mixture of gases that are composed of nitrogen and oxygen. The main oxides of nitrogen are dinitrogen oxide, that is, nitrogen 1 oxide, nitrogen monoxide, that is, nitrogen 2 oxide, nitrogen dioxide, that is, nitrogen 4 oxide, nitrogen pentoxide. We start with the first one, dinitrogen oxide, that is, nitrous oxide. It is also called laughing gas because when inhaled in small quantities, it causes uncontrollable laughter. Preparation. It is prepared by gently heating ammonium chloride and potassium nitrate. Dinitrogen oxide is collected over hot water. Question: why is dinitrogen oxide not prepared by directly heating ammonium nitrate? Answer: because the decomposition of ammonium nitrate is very exothermic and may become uncontrollable and explosive. Physical properties of dinitrogen oxide. It is a colorless gas with a faint, pleasant, but sickly smell and a sweetish taste. It is neutral to moist litmus paper. It is 1.5 times denser than air. It is fairly soluble in cold water. It is neutral to moist litmus paper. Chemical properties of dinitrogen oxide. Action of heat. Dinitrogen oxide rekindles a brightly glowing splinter, which is hot enough to decompose the gas to liberate oxygen. Dinitrogen oxide supports the combustion of any burning substance, which is hot enough to decompose it. Hot sulfur burns in dinitrogen oxide to give nitrogen and sulfur dioxide. Hot magnesium burns in dinitrogen oxide to give nitrogen and magnesium oxide. Oxidation of heated metals. When dinitrogen oxide is passed over heated copper or iron, the metal is oxidized to its oxide. Test for dinitrogen oxide. Dinitrogen oxide has a pleasant smell and rekindles a glowing splinter. When a brightly glowing splinter is inserted into a test tube containing the unknown gas, the splinter is rekindled. This can be distinguished from oxygen in that, while oxygen is odorless, dinitrogen oxide has a pleasant smell.